Dagathong ban kintiu bat penslur ya kisamla ka jela Meghalaya bat ka jing itho ya ka jing tristom bat ka jing no sinyang jongki ha ka sab baper ka imagination haringkat ka tanat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka jela kala sam khusnam shiki prangut ki samla ki bapa ha ki sab baper ha ka jing yelang bala pelong ha usus tam auditorium ya ka ni ka jing put ko buram ha ka sin ka baning kong e ka bolong rukum shi benta ban ki ya ka International Youth Day badu ban penslur ya ki samla bakin wanra ya ka jing kala pakit jingmut ha ka imlang ka salang ha ka ne ka jing yelang lai don dikat lang Menteri Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs Uzanet Sangma ubalong kum ukongsan haringkat kiwe kini ki prangut ki samla ki bala sapan ko buram ki kentop yo samla tushan bor sing nongbet arts and culture Mikhail Marak Community Peace and Harmony Davida Paswet Community Leadership Light After Dark Differently Able Sanchnong Youth Welfare Organization Youth Base Eugene Yangti Entrepreneur Services Tinash CH Moment Entrepreneur Farm Bat usamla ke walambok lingdo Adventure Sports ya gini ki samla ka sarkar kala ayda ka khusnam arpa hajar tingka haringkat bat ki certificate.
This kind of program is aimed at exploring and identifying different talents among the youths. If we talk about youth, the youth itself is a very vast subject. It involves everything what youth cannot do. Whatever is seen around the globe can also be performed by our youths. So, the government of Meghalaya, under its leadership, has been giving maximum focus for the youths. If we compare in the preceding years,